Hi, my name is Dr. Sheila Capre Franceschi. I'm a board-certified pediatrician and a fellow of American Academy of Pediatrics. I'm going to be talking about bronchiolitis. Let's talk about common symptoms. During the first few days, your child may have signs and symptoms that are those of the common cold. You may present with a runny nose, stuffy nose, cough, even slight fever, less appetite, and sometimes fuzziness. These may last for 2 or 3 days, and then they may progress to a more prominent or worrisome symptoms like fast and shallow breathing, pulling of the chest. This means that whenever your baby is breathing, you can see the difference between the tummy and the rib cage. You can see also wheezing, which is the high-pitched sound that produced during respiration, cough spells, fast breathing, trouble drinking or eating, vomiting, and sometimes irritable. At this time, it's very important to take your child or call his pediatrician for evaluation and management. Also, your child is not able to eat or drink or has a dry mouth, not urinating often, and crying without tears. These are signs of dehydration and need attention. When to call the ambulance or go to the ER. If your child is making grunting noises, you can see blue or gray on his lips, has a nose flaring, or acts sluggish.